Good day. This is Toyota Corolla 2003 CE 1.8 liter. I had the check engine light on, and when I did the scan, it tells me there's a bank one, sensor number one, which is that one there, and it was kind of not working good. And what I had to do, I watched a few videos on YouTube about how to repair the sensor, and I got those parts from Amazon for like $14 or $15 or something. This is two pieces. I use for spark plugs, as you can see here. Yeah, here we go. Sorry, just focus. So I use for spark plugs. Sorry about this camera. Yeah, so yeah, it's for spark plugs and then fullers. So I bought two different types. It's the same one. This one, they both 18 millimeter, but one is a little bit longer. Those one is a little bit longer. The other one I installed over there, two of them. They are a little bit shorter, about this much short, or maybe this much, yeah. Because longer one, they won't fit. The sensor is gonna hit here, so you need to use two short ones. The reason this one works, I have no idea why. You know, I mean, you can search it in you Google or YouTube and find out whoever discovered this math, but it works fantastic for me. I took the car for a test drive, and I came back. I did another scan, no check engine, so check engine lights no more, and I'm so happy with this. And I also bought this one, which is really helpful. This tool is to remove the sensor without removing all this heat shield, which is a lot of work you need to do, you know, move it and install it back. So I bought this, and I think this one is $20 or something, or I forgot, and it works really good. You know, just put this one here, the wire goes in here, you know, just like that. Stick it here, and then ready to go. And then this is ratchet also, it works really good with this, just like that. Okay, so yeah, and so yeah, the short ones I got the same one like those. All you need to do, when you remove the sensor, just put them together like that. You can use the washer or not, it's up to you. I didn't use them in a short two pieces over there, so just like that. Oh, sorry, I forgot to mention one important thing. This one you need to drill a half-inch. Use a half-inch drill bit, and it's made of aluminum, so it's easy to drill. Just use a you see here, I already did this. Drill it, half-inch drill bit. Here, this is the one which is use like already drill. So no, you know, this is how you get it, and you need to drill it like this one, so just like that. Okay, and yeah, and then, you know, just tie them both together, and tie the sensor here just like that in here. This one goes to the engine, or to the muffler, or to the exhaust system, and then this one to the sensor. Just tie them all together. you don't need to tie them super hard, and it's ready to go. So so happy, no more check engine. And I did the scan a few times, everything is fine and works really good. Yeah, so it's good. I'll put some link where to buy those the parts and everything from the Amazon. Hope this video will help you to solve check engine light if you got the what's called the bank one, or upstream sensor or downstream sensor too. Thank you, have a good day, bye.